Hi guys, so today we're going to look at removing this annoying pop-up. Basically, every time you press caps lock or num lock or scroll lock, you get this little icon pops up with either say caps lock on or caps lock off. It would seem it's just happening a lot on HP laptops, and around the end of August 24, when this video was made, HP seem to have pushed an update in their software which forces this to appear, and there's no way to disable it from within the software. So you have to remove the tool that's actually doing it. So really simple one. You want to go to Control Panel, uninstall a program, and it's this tool here, so HP System Event Utility. Another way you can uninstall it, you would just hit uninstall and run through it. But if you don't do it this way, you can do search, installed apps, and then again, this brings up the list of the installed apps. It's this one that we want to do. So HP System Event Utility, you just hit that, uninstall, and then that's it gone. And also if we go back to Control Panel, you can double check it's been removed from there also. Now we don't see it anymore. That's basically it. Seems to be some kind of like bloatware, the system event tool, which isn't really needed, so it won't cause any issues to uninstall, and you'll remove this annoying pop-up. Any questions, pop them in the comments.